Okay, in today's video we're just going to talk about taking the work from one decision to the next, and we're going to use the same example that I used last night, which was the XBI. And the larger pattern on the daily chart is a bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And if we follow the path of least resistance, then what we should be looking for is a potential extension on the upside as long as we continue to hold above this recent low, right? So again, my target, or my initial target, is still 91.07. If you get a move through that first target, then the second target is 93.73. But that's not all the information that you have access to. And this is something else that you can do to help manage your trades. You have to look at the other side. What would get in the way of this scenario playing out? Okay, because you know that it does look like that bigger picture pattern could play out. But what you don't see is that here, if you run the retracements, there is a 618 retracement that we have not yet cleared. And then if you overlap that 618 retracement with 100% of this first swing up, okay, take the low to the high and then project it from the next low, that overlaps that 618. It comes in at the 85.99 area. And then take it one step further. If I run an extension of this high to this low, there's going to be an extension that we will also need to clear if we're going to continue to rally. So we take the high to the low, and there is actually the 1272 extension of this high to low swing. So that is an important hurdle that we need to clear if we are going to indeed continue to rally from that last low and head towards the initial upside target. So if you're in this trade, you can look at it a couple of different ways. You can say, well, you know, if it doesn't clear this area, I'm going to get the heck out, because then it has a chance to fail if we don't clear it. And you know, that's one way that you can look at it. Some of you might just keep your original stops in, either against this last low or against the other pullback decision that I showed you. But bottom line, this should help you in managing the trade setup. The resistance cluster that we need to clear is this 85.99 to 86.12 area. Okay, so it is actually a two-step pattern into resistance. And like I said, it needs to be cleared if it is indeed going to play out. And hopefully that helps you manage the trade if you're in it.